Welcome to another episode of Fundamentals of Vedic Astrology. Today, we will be discussing about the effects of Ketu on an individual's personality and life when it is placed in the different houses in a birth chart. In the cosmic dance of celestial bodies, there is one elusive player whose effects are as profound as they are mysterious: Ketu. Often referred to as a shadow planet in the realm of Vedic astrology, Ketu's enigmatic influence extends to shaping life events and personal traits. Unlike the luminous presence of other planets, Ketu's existence is more subtle, yet its impact is deeply significant. Ketu's role is unique, often associated with the karmic residues of past lives. It is believed to guide us towards spiritual growth and liberation, urging us to let go of material desires and embrace the essence of our souls. It's like a divine compass, pointing us towards the path of self-realization and enlightenment, subtly shaping our journey through life. In essence, Ketu, though invisible, has a tangible presence in our lives. Its placement in our birth chart can reveal fascinating insights, offering a window into our past, present, and future. The house in which Ketu resides in your birth chart can drastically shape your life's journey. Let's delve into the first four houses and unravel the impact of Ketu. When Ketu lands in the first house, the house of self, it often encourages a journey of self-discovery. This journey might be marked by introspection and personal evolution as individuals work to peel back the layers of their identity. Ketu's influence here can lead to profound personal transformation, pushing individuals to question who they are and who they want to become. The second house is the house of material possessions and values. When Ketu resides here, it often promotes a sense of detachment from material wealth. It nudges us to question the significance of material possessions and encourages us to focus on spiritual growth and contentment. People with Ketu in their second house may find themselves less interested in accumulating wealth and more focused on enriching their souls. In the third house, the house of communication and siblings, Ketu's presence can shape how we express ourselves and interact with the world. It might inspire us to seek unconventional ways of communicating or to explore unique ideas and perspectives. It can also affect our relationships with siblings, often encouraging us to navigate these relationships with empathy and understanding. The fourth house, the house of home and family, is deeply impacted by Ketu's influence. Here, Ketu urges us to examine our roots, our sense of home, and our relationship with family. It may prompt us to question traditional family dynamics and to forge our own path in defining what home and family mean to us. The influence of Ketu in these houses can bring about transformative changes, urging us to reflect and evolve. The journey might be challenging, but it is through these challenges that we grow, learn, and ultimately discover our true selves. Moving forward in the celestial abode, Ketu continues to cast its profound influence. As we delve into the realm of the 5th to 8th houses, the enigmatic Ketu unravels more of its profound influence on our lives. Let's start with the 5th house, the realm of creativity, self-expression, and romance. When Ketu resides here, it often incites a deep exploration of creative potential. It pushes us to question conventional norms of creativity, encouraging us to find our unique voice. There's a tendency to seek unconventional methods of self-expression, often leading to a path of innovation and discovery. Now, stepping into the 6th house, the domain of health, work, and service to others, Ketu often brings about a unique perspective on health and wellness. It may trigger a profound interest in understanding the intricate connection between mind, body, and spirit. You might find yourself drawn towards holistic healing methods, and there can be a strong desire to serve humanity, often through the healthcare or wellness sectors. In the 7th house, the house of partnerships and relationships, Ketu can create a sense of detachment. It nudges us towards introspection, teaching us to find wholeness within ourselves before seeking it in others. Relationships become a journey of self-discovery where the focus shifts from what we can gain to what we can learn. Finally, in the 8th house, the house of transformation, change, and rebirth, Ketu's influence is perhaps most profound. It propels us into the depths of our psyche, triggering profound transformations. The 8th house Ketu can often prompt life-changing events or experiences that push us to confront our deepest fears and emerge stronger. Ketu, in these houses, nudges us towards introspection, learning, and acceptance. It's a journey of self-discovery, where we learn to embrace change, understand our creative potential, reframe our perspective on health, and redefine relationships. And as we continue to navigate the celestial abode, we become more attuned to the profound influence of Ketu in our lives. In the final stretch of the zodiac, Ketu's influence takes on a more profound and spiritual tone. Let's delve into the realm of the ninth house, the house of philosophy and higher learning. When Ketu resides here, it fosters a relentless pursuit for knowledge and truth. A person with Ketu in the ninth house might find themselves drawn towards spirituality, philosophy, or even theology. They may become scholars, teachers, or philosophers, guiding others with their profound wisdom. Moving on to the 10th house, the house of career and social standing. Here, Ketu's influence is a little complex. On one hand, it might lead to a lack of interest in pursuing worldly ambitions. People with Ketu in this house could be indifferent to fame or social status. On the other hand, if they find a career path that aligns with their spiritual or philosophical inclinations, they could excel immensely. Next, we have the 11th house, the house of gains and friendships. Ketu's presence in this house often indicates unconventional friendships and social circles. These individuals might feel a sense of detachment from their friends or social group, often preferring solitude or the company of like-minded seekers of truth. Lastly, we reach the 12th house, the house of liberation and spiritual enlightenment. This is where Ketu feels most at home. When Ketu resides in the 12th house, it amplifies the desire for spiritual liberation and the urge to transcend the material world. It is here that Ketu's influence can lead to profound spiritual experiences and insights, potentially even attaining moksha, or liberation from the cycle of birth and death. So, as we see, Ketu, the shadow planet, holds a mirror to our deepest selves, urging us to transcend the mundane and aspire for the ethereal. That's all for today. See you in the next video with more insightful information. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected.